What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Soul Letter Sully, back at it again with another video. You know, gotta show off something really cool. Gotta show off something I got recently. It was just a spontaneous purchase, but look what I got, guys. I got me some winglets for my Suzuki. Suzanne's got some features now. Looks a little bit more aggressive, not some bulky little thing, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, got those, put them on the other day. I tried to make a new video, but it was raining. It's been raining, but look, as you can see, beautiful day out for riding. So we're gonna do that. We'll cut to the chase as soon as I'm on the road. So talk to you guys in a bit. All right, YouTube, we're gonna be rolling around here, and might be sitting in some traffic, but I want to talk about some things like why I started riding, why I still ride, why I started on the bike I started on, and things like that. So, hope you guys really enjoy the video. So, now that we're on the road, I want to reiterate what I'm going over is why I ride, why I love riding, and why I'm probably not going to stop riding. It's getting me through some hard times, so I will always appreciate it, and I want to share why I ride with you guys. So, but I started riding a year and a half ago, just casually, you know, taking it to work and stuff like that. But right, I GP shifted this thing. Oh yeah, peep the new fucking mirrors. Oh dude, that's just great. And they are flip out mirrors. I just don't use the mirrors really. I check behind me all the time, so it is what it is. But we're gonna be sitting in traffic talking about dailying and why I ride. And maybe, you know, if starting on a 600 is good with you, you know, might add that, some tidbits into there. But right now, just want to talk about why I ride. So the main reason why I started riding, I have always liked motorcycles, and I've always liked the idea of them. And like, a buddy of mine let me ride his dirt bike for a bit, and it just kind of spiraled from there. I really enjoyed that, and I was like, oh, but I'm not big on dirt, so I want to really branch out to street. So I was like stressing about getting a bike, and then I ended up going to a bike shop, a bike dealer, and I was looking for a Honda Shadow. I know, fucking change that, right? But I was looking for a Honda Shadow, and I don't know, it didn't click with me as much as this, I guess, is like the best thing I can say. It just wasn't as instant of a thing for me. Like, I loved this. Like, I sat on this and I was like, oh fuck, I want it, you know? Classic Gixxer style, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, and I honestly do not regret it. This is probably the best thing I could have done. I love this bike. Hope you guys enjoy this shit. The weather's beautiful as to like everything. It hasn't been this nice in a minute, and I'm gonna be honest, clear skies, awesome weather. I don't give a fuck. It's nice and sunny. Welcome to Tampa Bay. It did rain this morning. It was so bad. It was such bad weather this morning. I was like, what the fuck, you know? I was so confused. And then, like, I shit you not, in 30 minutes it cleared up just like this. And it was so bad. I really wish I had a photo to show you guys, or like a video I could show you guys to like preface what I'm talking about, but I don't. So, oh well. Another thing I want to talk about is starting a bike, starting on a sport bike, right? Now, I'm gonna say this because, of course, I'm a bit taller, and it's
not necessarily easy for me to start on a small bike. I mean, yes, I could do it. Would I be comfortable? Maybe not. Even right now, like even on this, it's like barely comfortable, you know? Like my knees still, like it's still too small for me a little bit. So that's that. To continue my conversation earlier before I started on that rant about the weather and shit, I sat on this bike for the first time like a year and a half ago, and it clicked with me as to like, this was my bike, you know? I just loved it. And I honestly full sent it from there. Like I literally bought it that same day. So it was just, fate had it out. Gotta honestly peep that shit. Here, we're gonna go a bit slower on this side, just so I can talk without the wind buffeting anything, you know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, no, I sat on this bike and I just loved it from like that day. And like, of course, Suzanne's evolved. She's had a couple crashes. She's had a couple mods and adjustments and just smaller things like this. And then I think my first ever, I think this thing was like my first ever adjustment on the bike. No, I took the stickers off of the sides. I took all the stickers off other than the Suzuki stickers because I wanted her name. Of course, the bike's name is Suzanne. So I was like, Suzuki, Suzanne, fuck it, yeah, why not? I know that's basic as fuck, but I don't give a fuck. Like it or love it, you know? It just stuck with it. So yeah, and then the next thing was probably quad lock, this, and now we got these. And I just ordered handle grips. We're changing it up to some white handle grips. Dumb, whatever. I like white handle grips. I don't care. Plus, I'm changing the whole entire fairings of this bike. I'm getting like Sakura blossoms on one side, Akatsuki on one side, and then it's gonna be full white from there with my black accents on my frame. So I think this would look so fucking good after that. Plus the Ryoma blades, like it works, you know? It honestly works. Bro, come on, look at this. This shit is beautiful. The city looks even better. Like, I am driving through the city. Look at that. Look at the city skyline, bro. Are you kidding me? You can't get that. You can't get sick of that. That's sick. But, yeah. Just wanted to let you guys know why I started riding. And what made me choose a Gixxer. I sat on it. I enjoyed it. I don't give a fuck. Like, I know that makes you sound like a Gixxer rider, you know what I'm saying? But look, man, it was a comfortable sit. I liked it. It made me feel okay. Like I was like, oh, I'm good. I'm chilling, you know? But other than that, there was not much of a reason that I got it other than it looked fucking sick. And the exhaust. The exhaust sounded good, too. It still sounds good. I want to straight pipe and tune it and do that. I think that'll be sick. Of course, after I change out my fairings, I want to do that. If I do that, of course, I'm gonna have to start being very careful with the whole hearing and shit. My hearing's already shot to all hell. But oh well. A biker girl? What the fuck? You don't see many of those, and her fucking license plate is hanging off. That's kind of crazy. Hold on, boys. We're talking.
Nice ROM. Nice ROM. I know you got the cardio on, you can't hear shit. Did you stretch it out, or is that just how it comes?
It has a different exhaust on it too.
Damn. I said, I've never ridden a Grom. I've only had this thing.
Oh, look, we're matching. Okay.
Hey, yeah.
Are you going to bike night?
Yeah, OCC?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going there.
I'll be there.
All right, yeah.
You
Keep
ride
it.
in a group or you ride solo?
I ride solo.
Yeah.
Sometimes I ride with others, but usually it's only my only friend group, so it's like,
You live around here?
yeah, I live down the way.
I live over in Seminole.
I live in St. Pete right there,
Oh,
off the
okay,
bridge.
yeah.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah.
Do you meet up at the Wawa with them? Usually don't.
What time do you usually go?
I don't meet up with them because they're too fast for me. But I usually show up there around 7:30.
Okay, I'll be there. This Wawa's right, or is it gonna be that Wawa's?
Yeah, Candy Wawa.
Okay, yeah, I'll be there.
I'll probably see you at bike night.
Yeah, you'll definitely see me around. I'm going at least till like 9 or 10, and then I'll head out from there. But trying to at least make some more content.
I'm getting another bike. I'm upgrading from this.
What are you gonna get?
I want to get a 636.
That'll do it. Just be careful. That change is crazy. I don't know if you ever rode like a sport bike before,
Yeah.
but like,
Just
I don't
the
know.
400 though, nothing crazy.
Okay. I mean, fair enough. A 636, they're gonna be torquey as fuck. They're crazy. I'll say even this thing's a little torquey. Like that's its clutch. I don't even like. That's no gas.
It sounds nice though.
Oh yeah, the M4's on.
Woo! Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys have noticed, my wheelies have gotten a little bit better. I can kind of pop them up, you know? Not crazy, but I want to learn how to lead them out now. So, I know it's just rolling back harder or balancing. Once you get the balance point, just balance from back brake to your throttle. So, that's what I gotta learn how to do. But other than that, I mean, it's just practice at this point. And I've been practicing, man. Trying my best to like learn the actual way to like pop up. So I can get up, like I can, hold on, let me check. I think we're chilling. See, I can get up. But I can't fucking lead him out. That's my goal. I want to lead him out and I want to be able to stunt out, you know? That should be cool as fuck. You know? No, I will say the one thing that's sketch about not having the mirrors up is I do have to look back and I have to be careful about what's in front of me. So whenever I'm like looking back, I have to go slower. So yeah. Other than that though, I mean, just to conserve battery and shit, I'm gonna probably cut it here. And then we'll meet back up at OCC, boys. So I will catch y'all at OCC, and then from there we'll see your boy at the garage. Hopefully, I know last time I said I was going to the garage, and I didn't. Crazy. I will. You know me. As I proceed to wheelie my ass out of here. Anywho's in YouTube. What is up? This is OCC bike night. This is towards the end of it. Sorry, I just wanted to talk in the beginning and show you guys what was going on. I'm gonna get some clips from Buddy over here. We met a friend. Of course, she rode with us again. By the way, that's crazy. But can't wait. Post this, guys. Shit to YouTube. Oh yeah. Sounds great, bud. Alright, YouTube. We're back. And honestly, that was great. Honestly, a great ride. And I'm looking forward to doing some more of that style riding. Where I'm just talking, hanging out with friends, and all around just having fun. Because, yeah, one sec, boys. And we're back. Okay, so, give me 1 second to pull this thing in the garage, and then let's talk. Alright, boys and girls. Thank you for being a part of this YouTube channel. Honestly, I couldn't do it without any of y'all supporting me and the growth that I've been getting, and the likes that I've been getting, and the comments, and just the people all around me, my friends, and of course family. saying that I'm doing good things. Sorry, this is a bit of like a solemn note, but I really appreciate all of you getting me through some hard times. And yeah, thank you for watching the video. If you watched it to the end, hit like and subscribe. And I genuinely love making these videos, so please support me and this journey that I'm on. Deuces, YouTube.